Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
I'm recording this December 2023. If you're an active user of QuickBooks Online, or even if you're not, you may have noticed your magnifying glass has moved. It used to live over here on the right-hand side, and now there's a search in the middle of your screen. I want to take a few minutes and describe for you what you're seeing in the search, and if this is new to you, what you can do with the search. When I click on the search, it says I can search for transactions, contacts, reports, and more. I can isolate and say I'm looking for all things, for transactions, for contacts, for reports. Let me go back to the All tab. When looking at the All tab, I can see my recent searches. This is me just looking for stuff. I typically look for things by dollar amount. Underneath that, I have recent transactions. If you wanted to go back to a transaction you've recently entered, you're going to click on the magnifying glass or that search ribbon. You're going to take your eyeballs down below, and these are the transactions you've recently entered. I'm recording this in December. This entry from March, this is something that I recently worked on, changed, added, did something to. So it's not these are the recent transactions by date, but rather these are the recent transactions that you've been fiddling with. Let me demonstrate how you can go to a transaction. I'm just going to select this one from March. I'll hover over it with my mouse, and then I'll click on it. From here, I can see the transaction and make any changes I might want to make. There really are no changes to make. I just wanted to show you how you can go to a transaction. Let's imagine that I want to look at an invoice that I was working on earlier that I don't see on the screen. I'm going to search for the dollar amount of the invoice. In my case, it's $399.96. When I search for that, my list is now narrowed down to only the transactions with that value. I can see there's an invoice with that value as well as a payment. In my example, I just want to see the invoice, so I'll select that. I am going to add a second period to this just so that I can say that I changed my invoice. I will select Save and Close in the lower right-hand corner. Says it's been linked. Yep, that's fine. Let me clear my search. Now when I go to search or I select search, you'll see that invoice is at the top of my list. It is a transaction that I've recently messed with. I hope this video has been helpful. As Intuit or QuickBooks is changing the layout of the software, I'm going to go back and recreate some videos that I made before. I'm recreating them so that people who are less comfortable and less familiar will be able to look at the new interface and find their way around. If there's anything you'd like to see me put together in a video, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you so much.